Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 43 of Mandarin Chinese. Today we continue learning about the earth vocabulary. Tropics are called 热带 热带 Tropic of Cancer is called 北回归线 北回归线 Tropic of Capricorn is called 南回归线 南回归线 Now, let's review the words again. 热带 北回归线 南回归线 This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Click the subscribe and notification button. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.